What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel. What's really to ya? Yeah, I know. I copied that from Sugar Man. That ain't mine. Shout out to Sugar Man on that, man. I just had to try it. It sounds so tight when he be saying it. But anyway, man, CJM32 dropping that McLaren paint color today. He finna reveal that Joker, man. And I want to watch it with y'all. I want to watch it in real time. So I ain't seen it yet. You know, there's a few pictures online, but it ain't nothing like the true reveal. So, hey, let's watch it together. You feel me? Let's check this thing out together. But before I hit the play button, man, y'all need to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Because that's what I need for the channel. And I'm just going to keep bringing you these hot cars, these hot songs, you know, reactions to whatever going on out here in the sports world. So let's get into it. I'm happy to be back with y'all. Let's get into it. Ooh, God dang. Is this the color that he had on the Charger? Is this the color that he had on the Charger? The Hellcat? The wide body? The one he gave away? I'm not sure. It look a little lighter. It's snapping though. Jump in the comment and let me know if this one is killing the green one that he got.
Oh boy, guys. Let me see it, Marty. I brought a color back for y'all, if y'all don't remember.
Okay.
It's the old
okay, I was right. Color. Scat pack color. Okay, I was right.
One of my favorite colors. I was actually gonna put this on the twin turbo Trackhawk. But I ended up putting it on the McLaren. So now I got two painted outright.
Y'all say it with me. Say it with me. You know what I'm about to say? PC don't miss. That boy PC don't miss. You feel me?
Just McLaren's 720S and the 720S Spider.
It's gonna be a long summer.
Once I drop that top, yeah, y'all know what type of time I'm on. We got to get that interior done.
Dang.
And we're gonna take it to Joe Tag. We're getting the whole rim, carbon fiber to match the wheels. That motherfucker doing gymnastics. Stop playing. Tell your paint man step his gun game up.
Oof. Pearl game is nasty.
Look at the detail in the wheels, though. Yeah, I seen that. Stop it.
Oof. Carbon fiber on the lip. Carbon fiber on each bar.
Y'all see them brakes.
So you gonna add some carbon fiber?
Duh. I gotta add carbon fiber. I gotta add the rift kit. Hold on. But see, y'all so blind. Turn your 4K on right now. Y'all ain't even see this. Will ain't even
I can see the flakes in the paint on that black.
Look at the black, my boy. You see the flakes matching the paint.
Yeah, the flakes matching the paint. That's nasty, man. That's nasty.
You ain't gotta tell him he wants your shit to be like.
Sorry for the technical difficulty, guys. My camera tripping.
Everything got that too, guys. Hold on. Yeah, my paint man got me flipping everywhere. Here we come to the glass.
It's flakes in the black, man.
Hold on. We killed it. Look, that's all fresh black. I'm not carboning none of that. No point now. Look at that shit. Yee.
Man, he packed the flakes in that black.
I'm carboning the bumper though. The bumper going carbon. And I still might do the wing. I don't know yet. But the bottom kit, you gotta have that bottom kit.
Oh.
On the McLaren.
Man, that Pearl dancing around that song, bitch.
Sensational.
Can't put no armor all on it yet.
Nope.
Tires a little dry and ashy.
Steph will break the paint down.
Hold on. Stop playing. Look. All through there. See that? You drop some water, it's gonna roll down there straight off to the front.
Ooh.
Hold on.
I'm speechless, man. I can't say nothing.
Details though.
PC get the crown. PC get the crown, bro. That boy so cold.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Hold on. I like how the black flow. Like y'all remember on the green McLaren we painted.
If y'all remember this McLaren when he bought it, it was yellow, man. That yellow had like a red pearl in it from the factory. If I'm not mistaken, that joker had all kind of flakes in the paint from the factory, because it almost looked like the paint job he had put on MJ. So this car was damn near immaculate before he even decided to paint it. But everybody know, you know, CJ over the top with the paint job. So that just, he say he just got to do it the 32 gang way. So that's just something he do. You feel me? You know, when you got it like that, oh, it ain't nothing. It's nothing. You got that bread, it's nothing.
Some stuff green, but then we still had a black piece. But with this one, you got the glass on the vert. And
I thought that looked like glass so it could see through it.
The whole top half black, because that's how McLarens come anyways, and they just look good. Just give you that separation. Now my 720S badges is coming back on here. PC said they messed up when he took them off, so we getting black badges to go back on here.
Oh yeah.
And everything flipping, but it's hard for y'all to see, man, because
Oh, he did that McLaren in the back too, Flippin.
yeah, yep. My shit finna take off and fly away, man. Hold on.
I'm not even a McLaren guy. I'm like a straight. I love Lamborghinis,
Flipping right here.
but
It's gonna be a Dallas car because the weather better. I can drop my top.
the paint jobs that PC do
Marty gonna need the baby mama bins to drop his.
and the exposure that CJ give to these different supercars, it makes you a fan of them. You know what I mean? It's not real hard to like them. If you're a car guy, if you're a car person, you know.
Top because popcorn machine ain't gonna do it.
That pearl is dancing, man.
Yeah.
Bussin'.
Different, bro. Coming through in a supercar with the top down, outrageous paint job, outrageous interior, loud as hell because I'm getting it mapped. Y'all know I already paid for everything.
Ooh.
I just got to carbon fiber everything the right way. That's it. Let me see.
This man just keep
No, I will.
elevating the fleet.
Finna take off. Look at them pearls flip. This was my hardest flip to me. It just flipped so crazy.
Green, yellow, and golds.
I don't know why my hood ain't popping. I don't know if I gotta have some power to this. What? There you go. The doors was locked. Thank you. Come again.
Hurry up and buy.
I ain't gonna lie though. I got a power steering leak. I gotta get fixed when they go to Jotech. So I gotta buy some power steering fluid, and it goes right here. But it's gonna leak out. But I'm gonna just have it to have it. I'm glad it ain't the radiator, cause then I'll be overheating or something. So I'm good. But everything touched, man. Everything came off. This car came off in pieces. Look around these bezels. See, this is why I'm not gonna carbon fiber none of this. You gotta pay attention to detail. Y'all not gonna see that though. Y'all naked eye, turn your 4K on, man. It look like dust specks, but y'all see that shit flipping?
Nah, it's flipping. It's the same color as the car.
That's going carbon. I gotta have that bottom flowing. And I'm gonna ask PC what he think, what all pieces we should hit with the carbon. And then I'm leaving most of this stuff gloss black, cause yeah, I don't want my paint man wasting no paint.
Man, that hoe's so nasty, man.
What y'all think, 32 gang? Gonna look good next to the green one. Once they complete.
3.
When I take my end of the year picture this year, I'm trying to make sure everything done. Even my cutlass.
You gotta bring that back.
No, I'm bringing that back. I already ordered new wheels for that, but I ain't gonna tell them too much. Lay around, guys. I'm upgrading everything now.
Oh, keep yawning, guys. I keep yawning. Now, if that don't look like some Transformers shit, I don't know what do.
Right here, you can really see the details on that.
That's
door that
nasty.
he painted.
Yeah, you can really see how I'm pulling up. Y'all can really see how I'm pulling up. We ain't gonna start it up yet, but this how I'm really pulling
I
up.
see a little bit of that color on
This
that
how I'm jumping out.
on the door in that Alcantara.
Like this. Yeah. Ain't nothing like that vert, that spider.
That's
I don't know what I'm
busting.
gonna do with my hard top. Since I'm just a car guy, I'm probably just gonna keep it around in the collection. But the spider, man, I'm not gonna get a 765, guys. It just at this point it don't make sense. I'm cool until they come out with something completely crazy.
Guys, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? The way the wheels match it. Do you like this color better than the yellow? If you do your research, you go back in the videos, you'll see that it was yellow when he bought it. He didn't buy it from Earth Motors. I'm not sure. He bought it from the same dealership that he'd been buying all the giveaway cars from. I think it's right there in Joliet where he stayed. But man, what do y'all think of this build? Just what he's done so far. And I knew that was the color he had on the Scat. So yeah, it's real clean, man. It looks like a big ass piece of candy, a big ass nile, like something you want to eat.
Straight.
Woo! That thing is nasty. Woo!
But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all long. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, we catch these 5 whips, we're gonna react to them because we're car lovers over here. We love vehicles, period. So it's just what we do over here, feel me? So yeah, like I said, y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all for coming through, rocking out with your boy. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace out. Yeah.